Dr. M. Thambidurai.
Deputy Chairman, Vice Chairman, sir. Thank you very much for giving the opportunity to say a few words about the bills introduced by Honorable Minister. Already we discussed both bills has to come together, club together, but opposition, some of the members oppose that is we are taking separately. The spirit of the bill is same. Sir, you know very well in section 25 of the Central Vigilance Commission Act 2003 in clause D, following provisions shall be inserted, namely, provided at the period for which the Director of Enforcement holds the office in his initial appointment may, in public interest, on recommendation of the committee under clause A, and for the reasons to be recorded in writing, be extended up to 1 year at a time. Provided further that no such extension shall be granted after the completion of 5 years in total, including a period of mentioned in the initial appointment, sir. Same way as I discussed previous bill, same way they made it to 5 years maximum, and also extension per year to year, that is process. So regarding the role of the Vigilance Commission, enforcement power, our previous speaker, former Minister Prabhu, spoke elaborately about the money laundering system, how the enforcement director can involve and control the economy, how the people are misusing the money laundering. I think that is the action they can take. Sir, you know very well, as an economist, you know very well, in India, black money is a parallel economy which is going on in the economy, which is well known. Not only India, throughout the world, many places going on. That is also creating assets, so many activities going on. But at the same time, government cannot look on as what is going on. They want to control it. That is why Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji brought an act how to control the money laundering. That is a welcome suggestion, because then only economy will be streamlined. And also, income of the government also, aside through tax, they will get more. And unethical activities can be controlled. That is why the Act has brought this welcome thing. That is what has done. At the same time, sir, you know very well, not only money laundering, an Act provides for the Constitution of Central Vigilance Commission to inquire and or cause inquiries to be conducted into the offences alleged to have been committed under Prevention Corruption Act 1988 by certain categories of public servants of central government, corporations established by or under any central act, government companies, societies and local authorities owned or controlled by the central government, and for matters connected therein. There is a conflict between the CVC and CBA also, it comes in that. That is the problem started. In that only, you would know in the judgment of Vinith Narayan and others versus Union of India, 1997, Supreme Court directed to take the responsibility of excising superintendents over the CBS functioning should be transferred from central government to CVC, and also given direction related to the superior of the role of CVC. Therefore, CVC has a very important role in that. Therefore, that is why our Modi government, when they brought the money laundering and other thing, that given importance to the ED, Enforcement Director, for that role, for that to give enabling to act without partiality, impartiality to function, for that brought this, giving the extension of not more than 5 years, within 5 years only, and also following the same process, not violating by given by previous government what this government is following. They have not done anything. Only the period they are extending up to 5 years. That also enabling them to give 1 year as like that. Therefore, there is no any wrong in that. Therefore, as ADMK party, we are welcoming that and supporting the bill, what the minister has brought. I hope that whatever the Modi ji government expecting to do through that, we are appreciating that. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.